and they correct our mistakes, and they sometimes get hurt and they keep getting old. So friends, we should treat our parents with love and care. Thanks for watching friends. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. I love you all.